So back in the late 90s, Chrysler, Plymouth decided they wanted to produce a vehicle that was representative of like the 30s and 40s street rods. They wanted to have that street rod feel and yet be a new car, so a guy could drive a new car and feel like he was in a street rod. So they came up with what I'm in right now, which is this one's a 2001 Prowler, Chrysler Prowler. Originally it was a Plymouth Prowler for a couple of years, then Plymouth went under. Chrysler kept going with it, and from 2000 or 2001 on, it was Chrysler Prowler. So this one is a really nice example. It's only got 18,000 miles on it, very lightly used. We bought this and decided we would enhance it just a little bit, not horsepower or anything like that, just make it look better. We took all they actually make a chrome kit that you can get for the front of these. Covers all of the all the steering parts, and we put in a new grill, chrome grill. We redid all the brakes, all the new calipers. We put a brand new set of Nitto tires on it, and that's about all we needed to do. It's all original paint. Paint's never been messed with. We buffed it all out. Looks pretty nice. But this is the Chrysler Prowler. And it gives you that roadster streetcar feel. It's really fun to drive. It's a convertible. You can drive with the top up or the top down. It's a hot day here in Florida, so we elected to leave the top up today and run the air conditioner. The air conditioner in this blows really, really nice and cold. So as you can see from looking under this Prowler, everything's nice and dry. Motor, transmission, and everything else. No leaks on anything. The frame actually looks like new. There's no rust issues anywhere under this car. The body, you can go down these side panels over here. Absolutely no rust, no bubbles, no nothing. Underside of this car looks absolutely fantastic. All the way back. All the parts back here on the back end, everything looks great. Absolutely no issues with rust on this 2001 Prowler. Come down and see it. Take it for a drive with me. Now we had these wheels powder coated, all four of these wheels, brand new powder coat, going to last for many, many years. And you can see these Nittos are brand new. They don't even have 100 miles on them yet. So everything on this car works just like it should. Like I said, the air is ice cold, all the gauges work. Oil gauge works, the voltmeter, temp gauge. We have a tachometer here on top of the steering wheel. Everything works just like it should. Only 18,000 miles on this car. The steering's nice and tight. Feels like I'm in a brand new car, really. Every car that we sell here at Modern Muscle Cars, we go through, we put up on the rack, we make sure there's no issues, and we make sure that you get exactly what we advertise. It's really important to us, and you can have a look at the testimonials off of our website, and you'll see a bunch of happy customers on there. Most everyone buys from us sight unseen. We sell cars locally as well, but a lot of cars sight unseen. And we want you to be as happy as you can possibly be when you get when you get the car delivered to you. So I guess one of the best things that I have people say to me, and I hear it all the time, is, "Wow, it's better than what I expected." And that's our business model, and that's the way we want you to feel when you get the car. Come on down to Central Florida to Modern Muscle Cars and see this one and drive it for yourself. There's more pictures on our website at ocalamuscle.com.